Professional car detailers rely on a number of special brushes and cleaning tools in their pursuit of perfection. This new twin head cleaning brush from Gunson will let you clean your pride and joy like a pro. Get stuck into these detailed areas of the dashboard with its soft bristle brush. Spin it around and use the 3-pronged soft microfiber cloth on your vents, removing all grime and dust particles. It's not just modern cars that benefit from this must-have cleaning tool. It's ideal for classic cars and sports cars. Its versatile design ensures you can clean hard-to-reach places with ease. Get stuck into your classic grille. Use the brush to get into those awkward dash panels. Use it on painted metal surfaces with peace of mind. The anti-scratch materials ensure that painted surfaces will be in tip-top condition. Dust and grit cannot hide from the Gunson twin head cleaning brush. You can even remove the 3-pronged cloth, give it a wash, and use it all over again. The Gunson twin head cleaning brush. Professional results every time.